With the new intuitive controls and an innovative high-efficiency paddle design, the new BD Series Batch Weigh Blender by Stirling is the most capable gravimetric batch blending solution in the industry today. BD Series blenders are setting new industry standards for accuracy and blend quality, while delivering the precision and consistency customers demand. Stirling's proprietary control algorithms ensure predictable and precise batch-to-batch accuracy every time. The BD blender is a perfect complement to any production floor, with the ability to blend up to 6,000 pounds per hour. Stirling's new paddle design has 6 fan-shaped blades, featuring proprietary geometry that pulls material from the corners, virtually eliminating dead zones. Extensive testing and validation has proven that the new paddle design delivers uninhibited material flow throughout the mixing chamber, providing unmatched mixing performance. Side-by-side mixing tests were conducted at Stirling's Technology Center to benchmark mixing performance. Stirling's new paddle design, shown at the left, achieves a homogeneous mixture up to 4 times faster than the industry standard, reducing your blending time and virtually eliminating dead zones. The BD blender delivers the most consistent batch-to-batch blended mix in the industry, improving your product quality and reducing material waste. A newly designed slide gate valve provides an unmatched metering solution. Combined with a new processor that is 7 times faster than previous models, the BD blender can consistently dispense as few as 5 pellets per pulse, ensuring extreme accuracy. An adjustable stroke limiter has the ability to provide even more precise metering of minor ingredients at settings less than 1%. From the slide gate, pellets flow into a suspended weigh hopper. Stirling has eliminated all weigh hopper fatigue points, allowing consistent and smooth performance. Resting on highly precise dual load cells, the BD blender accurately weighs in increments as low as 1/1000th of a pound. Load cells are mounted externally for easy maintenance. This next generation of the BD blender builds on over 20 years of expertise in batch blender controls. A new high-resolution 7-inch color touchscreen and optimized graphical interface highlight Stirling's industry-proven control platform. The large color touchscreen conveys a wide array of critical data points, including blender rate capacity, production process rate, individual and cumulative material usage, and target versus actual batch weights. Batch sizes are easily adjusted utilizing precise batch control. The innovative skip weigh feature weighs every other batch, allowing processors to increase total throughput. Manual operating mode is great for troubleshooting diagnostics and material cleanout. For enhanced security, the control interface is equipped with 3 levels of password protection: operator, supervisor, and service. Our integrated loading control can load up to 8 hoppers and convey to a process machine. The system can be controlled manually, or it can automatically enable or disable loading of the hoppers based on the recipe in the blender. The BD blender is enabled to seamlessly integrate with your smart factory. Its data logging capabilities allow you to view inventory usage, alarm history, and batch-to-batch accuracy. Ethernet connectivity allows the system to be networked to virtually any device in a facility, and the built-in VNC server allows remote monitoring or control on any computer, tablet, or phone. Email alert capability can be enabled to send alarms when specific issues occur, providing immediate visibility to process errors. The BD blender is equipped with convenient cleanout doors on each hopper, mixing chamber, and surge bin. The doors are designed with a rugged hinge and a robust latch to ensure doors stay closed. Regular maintenance and cleaning requires no tools. There is easy access to all parts of the blender, saving you time and money. The BD blender is equipped with a reliable safety interlock system that disables both the compressed air and electric power to the machine if the mixer door is opened. A complete set of options are available to match your specific processing requirements. Optional accessories include a 9-station loading control, floor mount stand with integral hopper and takeoff stub, low-level alarm sensors, hopper drain tubes with slide gates, bolt-on additive auger feeder, and regrind auger metering. For more details, contact your Sterling representative or visit www.sterlco.com.